If you have Windows 10 or Windows 11, you have the opportunity to encrypt it today. There's this program called Windows BitLocker that is embedded in Windows operating system. Actually, it was available for Windows since Vista, and now it's embedded in Windows, and so you could search this up yourself. Here's a picture of my computer. This is actually my screen that has BitLocker on it. And this screen is actually showing us right now, I've got 3 available drives, whether it's external or internal, and I could turn on encryption to that right now. So if, let's say I go on vacation and, I've got my computer turned off and somebody comes in and turns my computer on and they hack through my password, and then they get to the hard drive to take that data off, right? Or they take the hard drive out of the computer. I can enable it so that it's encrypted. That's right. So if you at home want to take a look at how encryption is used, you can go to your BitLocker. If you have a Windows or 10 or a Windows 11 system, you can pull this up and it can step you through it, but give you a direct understanding of the encryption capabilities that are used on just your home computer, which is similar to what we're going to use when we're dealing with cybersecurity on a larger scale.